Fitness Foods Restaurant. So, Fitness Foods will be ran as a quick, on the go, organic smoothie, food, and drink restaurant. We will be operating as a for profit organization spanning across Northern Virginia area. Here's a question to ask yourselves: how many healthy restaurants can you name? Many would think Panera, Cava, and then have to turn to grocery stores like Wegmans, Whole Foods, or Trader Joe's. Our services will be unlike any of those mentioned above as we focus on the health of our customers. The purpose of our business. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, more than one-third of U.S. adults are obese. With that being said, we look to offer quality foods, smoothies, protein shakes, bars, supplements, and even healthy organic dessert options. While acting as an ethical company, we shall hold our values, ingredients, and business to a higher standard, which directs our focus to the customer and their health. With our resources being organic, our waste will be donated to local homeless shelters and orphanages, along with our initiative to give back through fundraisers and other charitable events. Fitness Foods will beat out competitors and flourish in the healthy food industry with our quality products, service, and weekly customer-inspired dishes that can be voted in store. Active individuals who are looking for a meal packed with nutritional value would be our market. Fitness Foods will fulfill customer demand and gather from sustainable suppliers while holding to our ethical standards. The physical environment of the business. Marketing and strategy. Fitness Foods will operate in busy areas close to universities and office buildings. Our market is huge with a large amount of money floating around Northern Virginia. Fairfax, Virginia by George Mason University will be our first location where we hope to transfer our healthy and rich culture while adopting new ones. We will have a competitive advantage in this industry due to our broad variety of protein, pre-workout foods, and drinks online and available to ship in store. Other healthy food companies lack the fast, efficient delivery process along with such variety. Our suppliers and distributors will be monitored for quality control and assurance. Strengths and opportunities. Our location will be one of our greatest strengths. The Northern Virginia area, specifically the area near George Mason, contains students and athletes looking to nourish their dietary needs. With Northern Virginia's demographic, our market will help accommodate the higher income individuals with our high quality products. Opportunities. Our location near George Mason University offers a high percentage of athletes. According to the National Center for Health and Statistics, 51% of adults aged 18 and over meet the physical guideline for aerobic and physical activity. With health awareness raising concern in the U.S., Fitness Foods will flourish. Weaknesses. Our company lies within the high-end organic food industry. The price of our products would be on the higher end to accommodate high supply costs. The healthy food industry is ran by a few organizations that attract a chunk of the market, making entry tough. Threats. Organic supermarkets like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and Wegmans are expanding in our direct area in Northern Virginia.
Within the first year, we'd like to see a 10% increase in customer traffic from the previous month to the next month. We can measure this goal by customer data entry, taking the customer's email or phone number for future deals while incorporating a loyalty program, which will assure returning customers and offer initiative. By the second year, we aim to create a no-waste policy by giving leftover perishable items to a local shelter. Functioning as a store that offers many organic dishes and drinks will lead to waste, but our company wants to make sure we give back to the community and less fortunate, not just one time, but on a sustainable basis. By the 3-year mark, a possible opening of a new location or creating a franchisee is a possibility. Examining gross net sales and gross profit from previous years would help determine if this could be a possibility. Being in the fitness industry, our culture is something that will separate us from the competition. At Fitness Foods, we value our customers' health and wellness along with our employees. Being a team player and having a passion for fitness is something we expect in our employees and our customers to embrace. Building relationships with customers by understanding that people have different values is something that is important to us. We respect other people's values and always take them into consideration when we plan every step in our business. Our values will help reach other goals by retaining customers and becoming a respected name within the fitness community.
Based on our managerial viewpoint category, we operate our business with behavior viewpoint and system viewpoint. Behavior viewpoint is emphasizing their understanding of our target customer likes and dislikes. Based on those facts, we train our employee to reach that goal. While we training our employee, we motivate them by providing benefit, which are compensations, acknowledgement, reward, and fringe benefit. Compensations is we let our employee to buy a stock and share from our business, and at the end of the year, we also give them some bonuses. Acknowledgement is which we share how we feel about them, how we appreciate their performance, and how much we value them as of our families of the business. We acknowledging their achievement with employees of the month with reward, which is like time of reward or monetary reward. Either way, we can give it to them as a reward. The last thing is a fringe benefit that we provide our employee from our business. The second viewpoint is the system viewpoint, which is we basically performing the business as a system design. We use people, money, information, equipment as an input. By using those input sources and transform them into an output such as product, profit, and customer satisfaction. To reach our customer satisfaction level, we have to study from the customer feedback and learn to improve how our performance to reach that qualifying level. Another huge thing about within a business is diversity. We strongly believe that success starts with diversity. Having the diverse group of employees in our organization assists us to see a problem in the different ways. Therefore, we operate the business with diverse participants give a better decisions. Since we have a greater pools of knowledge from different perspectives and better understanding of the reason behind their decisions. However, we know how our diversity is huge that we can deal with our customer. Moreover, having a diverse workplace will create a more suitable, engaged work environment. Employees are more key to learn from each other, different cultures, and better social skills towards serving customers from different backgrounds. So we can get a higher level of performance based on our customer feedback and our employee learning from each other culture.
As we continue growing our business, we will assess and evaluate our employees by focusing 4 specific key points. The first one is customer service. We want our customers to receive the best service possible. We hope to achieve this by setting a positive work environment for the employees so that they may have a genuine smile on their face while greeting customers. We want to make sure that our managers have all the tools they need to resolve any conflicts that may arise to maintain a happy environment. The second one is set service standards. Our employees will be evaluated on their job knowledge and expertise. This refers to the employer's expectations for employees to be familiar with typical restaurant practices, such as how to assist customers promptly for a turnover rate to improve the restaurant's profitability. This means servicing customers quickly yet permitting them to enjoy a leisurely meal. The third one is compliance. Workplace safety is a big concern in the food industry. We will strive to avoid any injuries sustained during food preparation, potential disease from perishable ingredients, and improper handling of equipment and supplies. Our employees will be evaluated based on whether they adhere to safety guidelines by testing their knowledge on equipment use. Finally, the last one is teamwork. Teamwork is crucial in delivering our goals. The employee who prepares the food is not the same as the employee who serves the customer, just as the employee who finds the best geographical location for a new restaurant isn't the same as the employee who determines the availability of workers. We will evaluate our employees on their ability to collaborate, make suggestions for improvements, and develop a positive working relation with all employees. The human resource system will help us achieve an organized, well-managed business. Firstly, management of all employees' information. This will include data such as names, titles, addresses, salaries, and other critical employee information. The second one is complete integration with payroll. This will simply ensure the paychecks are correct. Third is applicant tracking and resume management. This will be used by our recruiters to help them find useful information on new upcoming employees. Fourth is benefit administration. This will include enrollment, status changes, and personal information updating. We will allow our employees to look up and review their own information, such as vacation tracking. Finally, the last one is disciplinary actions. We will keep track of who has been suspended, demoted, or had other negative actions taken against them. This means that even after an employee leaves our organization and applies for another, we will have the information to provide a requested reference. We are guided by two simple beliefs. If you eat better and make a positive impact on the world, you feel better. Our mission is to provide athletes and college students with a fast and nutritional way of eating healthy while giving back to the less fortunate. We want to ensure that our customers receive the healthiest ingredients in their dietary needs, all while giving back to the community. We plan on teaming up with a charitable organization to give all our excess food to at the end of every closing day. No food will be thrown away while there are hungry people who cannot afford a meal.